What does productivity mean to you?
Actually, productivity, there are two levels of productivity, one at an individual level and second at an enterprise level. So, when you focus on the individual productivity, how focused are you on your work? How much effort you are putting on your work? And what is the output of the effort that you put on the work? So, that's about the productivity, about the individual productivity. If you go to the enterprise productivity, then all it bubbles up from the employee productivity, and at a team level, how effective capacity utilization is, how much is your output, what tools and processes are you using. So ultimately, what is the output of whatever you do in a much efficient way.
Don't you think there is also a contrary point of view where you need to say, I am unproductive, and there are some benefits of being unproductive?
Yeah, actually, if you try to do too much micromanagement into productivity, I think you get into another issue about anxiety and being able to manage that schedule. So I think probably when you plan your day, you need to make sure that you are comfortable, you have a peace of mind, you are not stressed because of the micromanagement of your own time, and you have to complete certain tasks in certain time. And then if you over plan it, then you try to rush to do that, and then in that process you become stressful, you get anxiety and all sorts of things. So you plan your day, you focus some time on your productive thing that you want to achieve, and some time into your non-productive thing also. That can be your learning, it can be your reading, it can be just a meditation or any other thing, so that it will help improve the productivity when you are really want to become productive.
Hey, thanks a lot for watching this podcast. If you liked it, hit the like button, subscribe right now. You'll find a whole lot of videos. Check it out now.